In this Big Tractor Power video, we're going to head out to the cornfields of Willow Hill, Illinois to watch a Massey Ferguson 9540 axial combine and a 7624 Dyna VT tractor with a J&M 875 grain cart bring in the 2017 corn harvest. While we're up in the cab of the Massey Ferguson 9540 axial combine, let's talk a little bit about the combine specifications. The combine has an axial style rotor, which is a drum that runs the length of the combine, and it spins around inside a cage to separate the grain from the corn cobs and other leafy material coming in from the field. The combine is powered by a 7-cylinder inline AGCO power engine. It's rated at 370 horsepower with a power bulge all the way up to 426 horsepower when the combine's unloading on the go. The combine can be equipped with a 24-foot unloading auger with an optional 27-foot model. It can unload grain at 4 bushels per second out of that 350 bushel grain bin, so it can move a lot of corn in a hurry. This combine is manufactured by the AGCO Corporation in Heston, Kansas, and I was really impressed with this machine. It is a very smooth riding, quiet combine. It's running an 8-row Gearinghoff North Star corn head, and I have to say that it was very impressive to see the grain sample coming out of it. And I get to film all sorts of combines all the way up to the big Class 9 machines with all the bells and whistles, and this combine really will stand with any machine on the market, and I have to say it's one of the nicer ones that I've been around as far as the grain quality that it produces. Now we're up in the cab of the Massey Ferguson 7624 Dyna VT tractor with the 875 J&M grain cart. And this tractor and grain cart combination is keeping the Massey Ferguson 9540 axle combine rolling across the field, harvesting corn nonstop. Let's talk a little bit about this tractor. The model number may sound a little different than other tractors that you see on the market, and what it stands for is 7600 series, which was built at the AGCO tractor plant in Beauvais, France from 2013 through 2014, and then 24 stands for the tractor's maximum horsepower rating of 242. And Massey Ferguson does this on all of their tractors. In North America, for example, the largest Massey Ferguson tractor on the market is the 8737, and that stands for 8700 series, 370 horsepower. The Dyna VT part of the tractor's model number stands for the CVT transmission, which is a shiftless transmission, so it's very much like driving your car. The tractor can easily match the speed of the combine moving across the field, and it makes it a very good option for running the grain cart. It is powered by a 7.4 liter 6-cylinder Sisu engine. It's rated at 180 PTO horsepower, and it was just a very nice tractor to climb up in the cab and watch the corn harvest as it proceeded in Willow Hill, Illinois. I hope that you've enjoyed this Big Tractor Power video featuring Massey Ferguson farm equipment harvesting corn. If you'd like to see more videos of farm machinery in action, subscribe to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm equipment at work out in the field. You can also follow Big Tractor Power on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As always, thank you for watching Big Tractor Power.